Oh yeah, and let's try this egg. So, yeah, super yummy. So today we're gonna be making egg in our new air fryer. Without boiled egg, without water, we're gonna put in this air fryer that we got today. And it's brand new, younger than this 5-year-old. Our first one. Okay. Then we open it, lay a tray of eggs in the top and the bottom. If you guys want to see the top here, this is our top. Have the water. Now we put the eggs in there. Then we leave it there for 5 minutes. Then peel the shell. Okay, so after 5 minutes, it's time to crack and peel the skin off the egg. And the shell, it's going to make it so delicious. And look how easy it is now to break it from the air fryer. The air fryer made it way better to peel it off. Crack, now let's peel it out.